Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm one of your librarians here at SLCC, and I just wanted to go over these three important aspects of the library website to allow you to get help from a librarian, search for sources for a research assignment, and find subject-specific research. First, we have to find the SLCC library website. To do so, click on Current Students on slcc.edu. And then click into the library image here, the icon. Let's start with getting help. Scroll down on the home page until this green Ask a Question bar is clickable. This allows you to chat with a librarian online. We can text you, we can email you as well. So please don't hesitate to get in touch with us using one of these methods. The main search bar on our website is a great place to start looking for research for an assignment. Start by entering your keywords and just hit search. This source searches many of our online resources at one time, not all of them. So it's a great starting point. If you don't find what you're looking for in here, I have a next step that we'll look at in a few seconds. But just note, all 541,000 or however many results you get, you can read in their entirety. There's a lot of good content out here. We have ebooks, we have magazines, reports, conference proceedings, scholarly sources, okay? Use the limiters on the left-hand side as needed for your research. I'm going to click into scholarly journals just because that's a popular request from faculty. And once you find an article or a source that looks useful to you, probably will not be the first one. Just click on the title. And from here you have really awesome options on the right-hand side in this toolbar. My favorites are email, which does exactly what it sounds like. You do not have to use your Bruin Mail account for this email. And you can also tell it to send you an MLA or APA or other citation with the email. Cite is a great way to preview the citation or copy it if you have forgotten to get it beforehand. Please note these are draft versions of citations. This one, as an example, does not have the authors listed, even though there are clearly authors for this paper. So do double check it before you submit it for a grade. And then the other important one down here is permalink. If you want to get back to this page, you must use this permalink option. It is stable. The one at the top in the URL bar is not stable. It times out. It will frustrate you horribly. So please grab the permalink if you want to get back to this exact page in the future. I'm going to go back to the library homepage again, and this time we're looking for this help and info box. It's often on the right-hand side of the screen. Sometimes it's at the very bottom, but we are looking for what says LibGuides or LibGuides. Let's click into that. These are subject-specific guides to help you with research in different areas of study on campus. I'll open the English one as an example. Most students take at least one English course at SLCC. We've broken out different types of information that you might need. Some of these guides also have specific courses where we've said we know some of the assignments in these courses, we know what resources we have that can help you with them. So feel free to click around the guides, ask us for help, and just have a good time searching. If you get frustrated within 10 or 15 minutes of searching, please contact us. We're here to help. Happy searching!